Beautiful people. Welcome back to my beautiful YouTube channel. To all my returning subscribers, mega shout out to you all. Hey, for the super amazing gorgeous ladies that are about to hit the subscribe button now, may God bless you. Thanks in advance. Thank you so much for joining this family. To all my amazing subscribers, I said may God bless you once more again. Okay, my beautiful people. Now me, Juliet Family TV. I don't show again, no. Yes, so based on the Ogbonge matter, the youth when they waka up and down for our country, our mother's land. When we say we are from come, the Ottomani say we did some of us the diaspora this side. Not me say we know they feel the pain. We they feel the pain. Even me for like how many nights I never feel sleep. I know the I just the most hard one for inside is that the more I try not to see what they go on. Like I don't want to see, because if I see, I must shed tears. I must shed tears. Like when I remember my country, water run away my eyes. Like whenever I see the video, water must come on from my eye. Tears must come on from my eye. Tears get tears by people. It go they hurt. My heart go they hurt me somehow. To avoid all those things, I go just no one go to any media angle like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all those places where I know say I feel going, I go switch it, they go on. But yet my sister, the other one we can't, I don't feel hold myself. Make I not go those places at all. I must carry my phone. I must want see. I must want know what they go on. Oh, my people, since how many days I dey cry. I dey cry. The way that they keep my brothers and sisters, the thing they pain me for my mind. Like I say, God, just intervene for us. But the one thing I know say, Baba God, you know they sleep for where they at. So, you know they sleep. You know they sleep. I know say very soon all these old fights, all those old challenges go over. I pray may this, after this protest, the new Nigeria, as in the new Nigeria, when we all go begin to see or witness, go different from the past one. It go different for the past one. The way my, in short, great Nigeria youth, great. I hail una from this side. I hail una. Now God go bless all of us. Now take stand to say yes. Now want stop a lot of things. Police brutality, and SARS, and bad leadership, and corruption, different kind of things. And God will bless you now. And for those of our brothers and sisters, when we say they don't go down for this protest, they don't go down. No, not just go down for nothing, now go down as a hero. Yes, as a hero. No, now so rest in perfect peace. And to their mothers, their brothers, their sisters, their family members, may God give una the heart to bear una lost. I know it's not easy. Even me, I not be their mother, I not be their family member, nor their relative, but just because we are in one Nigeria, they are my brother the other way around. But seeing the video, I they cry for them. I'll constantly go think about their family, say, God, how their family they feel. And this not the feel hard pain, but God will give on our hearts, give on the hearts to overcome those pain. And another one again, for that man Buhari, for that man when he call himself Buhari, and for the other, all those other leaders when they lead follow on. You people will never know peace. As when I say we the Nigeria, the citizens no go no peace for that. Not crime to, is it a crime to be a Nigeria citizen? Now crime. Why not turn the whole thing to become crime? Eh? Why not turn it to become crime? Why not turn the thing to become turn and begin look as if say now crime to be Nigeria? God pass on That's one they do the corner. You don't say even the so-called president when you open mouth say a big government when say Nigeria youth they are lazy. No, don't say they're not lazy now. We don't lazy you. But I know say body go still tell you now like we never see this kind of thing for for very long time. This kind of thing never take place. Una this una surprise, eh? Body tell now. Body tell now like Nigeria youth hits una for body like una feel the body hits. Una feel the body heat. The so-called army when be so una feel open una fire on top or upon una fellow Nigeria. Una feel say na how much be una salary of yourself when you make una take all those risks. People they fight. If that Nigeria better today, better for all of us. It better for all of us. It better for all of us. You when call yourself officer, police officer. If the so-called governor or president maybe so na they molest on our fellow Nigerians for, if they pay on a better salary, I'm not just gonna go the oppressed person because when I see with a new car or with latest phone or when I see money for a hand or what it call, I'm not just gonna go the oppressed, I'm go oppress them. Why? Because when I get good salary. Why if you don't say no be that you say you cash you they harass person for something genuine, like when I mean something genuine, like excuse me guys, like this thing, okay, they really look and don't know say okay, not be say you they want just oppress a person because you be officer or you be police or what it call. Do you understand me? So nobody go harass you now because they say na so police now they oppress we the Nigerians. We the citizens, we the fellow brothers and sisters of una self. So anyway, my people, before I forget what you carry me come here. I maybe a lot of una go don't see, maybe some of una never see. My people, in short, when I see that video when we see that our fellow brothers and sisters to go locate where they store food, store rice, indomie, gari, spaghetti. The one we copy me pass the gari it don't even black like what I want to call it? Now like a block I be what I want call or like charcoal. When I even say the gari one days, but what I not share around inside this COVID-19 so. People when they diaspora, people when they say they still get, they do give away. Me not see give away when we say president or governor, they say they do. When I go they give how many family, how many seed of indomie. When I get a lot of indomie or a lot of rice, a lot of gari for spaghetti for warehouse. None of it distribute some. Now when I get match, now wicked then. You guys, you are so wicked like. Inside una hearts, na devil worship. Inside una hearts, na devil worship. Na it be. Inside una hearts, na devil worship. If not be devil worship, I know so una see mine. Say do all those things when be say una do. How it be una now? How it be una now? Like when the whole thing called the go now. How it be una? My people, make I put the video for now, make una see and for una self. Una see the way our brothers and sisters they rush food like she said they never see food before. Hunger. Hunger could not be anybody friend though. When time reach for this belle, say you want food, you must give her something. When time reach, you must give her something. Hunger, see the way they rush food. One woman they celebrate, they say, see he has so see food though. Comment as he comment, say madam enjoy eat. So now distribute those food, even one bag of rice reach each family. At least it go reach there. No matter as the family come big reach, nothing when be say no that rice that as the bag take the small ones when the big ones there, but small ones stay there. Go for reach the cook at least hook that small bag reach in hand. Go for reach and cook at least no matter as the family come large or big reach, go reach the cook like at least 3-5 times. Instead, when I can't go, they put a COVID-19 label. I don't understand. I want to reset the game. Man, when I season from people hand, say na COVID-19 food that they sell. Or now season for the hand, go stock and for warehouse. Then when I want to resell and get to people, go to, after now go remove all those labels, resell and get. Now that place, I don't really understand. Eh? On our end time, we don't come. On our end time, now we do so. And you don't go past this time by the grace of God. You don't go past this time by the grace of God. My people, I don't want to waste on my time too much. Make I put the video for make on wash.
Our food plenty there, oh. Plenty.
Food plenty.
Our food plenty for there.
A warehouse of 600 feet by 600 feet, full of COVID-19 products, was discovered today. Look at people struggling to pass. This incident has been going on since 7 a.m. As I speak with you, sources say the warehouse has not gone off. Palliative that were supposed to be given to people during the COVID-19 period was hidden away in a warehouse, and Nigerians were dying of hunger and starvation. Look at this man struggling to survive.
Yes, can you imagine?
Look at him. Something that is supposed to be brought to his home.
This thing for the past 2 hours.
Look at it.
It is still full.
You mean?
You know, finish. It's fully loaded. The warehouse is fully loaded.
Can you imagine?
Nigeria has more than enough. Nigeria has more than enough.
The Navy has collected their own. The armies have put their truck, collected their own. Immigration, custom, last man. And the warehouse has not gone half. The warehouse has not gone half. The warehouse has not gone half. Palliative for the poor. Stored away. This is October 21st, 2020. Palliatives that were supposed to be shared in May were stored away. Some of the products are even expired. Look at how people are struggling.
They are not expired though. 2021.
No, you see.
Never expired. 2021.
You see people are struggling. You see. Look at it.
I saw another way I'll see there for Ikeja. Another one for Ikeja. Lagos State.
Look at it. Not for sale. Not for sale. They stored it. Look at it. Not for sale. They stored it. Wait. Let me see the pack. Now see. Look at it. COVID-19. Not for sale.
COVID-19.
The poor are suffering, and they stored it in a warehouse. Look at people passing through canal just to survive. Hunger in the land.
A sachet of tomato, 120 naira.
Look at people struggling to survive.
We are suffering.
Look at people.
Bag of rice, 40,000 naira.
Look at people. Ego has come to our head. These people are looters. They are criminals.
I'm telling you.